Okay. This is Sam, and he's 7, and he's a rag doll, and he likes to play with his toy. Yeah. Mwah. Oh, Sammy.
What color eyes does he have?
Hmm?
What color eyes does he have?
Brown?
What?
Blue eyes.
What's his favorite thing to do?
I don't know. Sleep.
He's a good sleeper, isn't he?
Yeah.
He just woke up, actually, didn't he?
Yeah.
Sammy.
Yeah, he's shedding hair.
Say goodbye, class.
Goodbye, class.
Bye, Sam. Bye, buddy.
Bye,
Where are you going?
Sam.
Where's he go? There's a tail. Oh, there he goes. It's like, I'm out of here.
Why can't you just go that way? He's not smart.